Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to scale your audio up and down for a video file or for a audio file in native iOS application. I'm using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. So here is the output. If okay, let me just check how much scaling I'm applying. So I'm just scaling down the volume to 0.1. So the range is from 0 to 1 being the highest. So I'm just drastically scaling down the audio for a video file. So if I click on pick video, here you can see it first check for photos app permission. I have already given that to it. Then it shows all the videos which are present. I only have one video. If I click on it, it automatically scales down the audio for us, and I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but it has definitely scaled down the audio for me. So yeah, that's how it is. And if I click on save, it also saves that particular transformed video file to our photos app. If I click on pick video again, here you can see two files are present. So let's see how to do this. So first you will have to go to info.plist. You will have to add a photo library usage description permission. Once that is given, inside my view controller I have imported photos UI as well as AV kit, and here I have created our AV player view controller. I have created one variable for final URL which will help us to store the URL of our transformed video. And here inside view did load, I have created a UI button for pick video and save button, again a UI button for save button as well, for saving. And on click of it we are calling this particular functions. So once save button is called, we check if final URL is not equal to empty, and if we have the photos app authorization, then we just call photo library.share perform changes and create request for asset from video, pass our URL, and if it is success we just save our video. If not, we just print it to the console. And here for pick video button pressed, we again check for authorization for photos app. If not, then we ask for it. If it is already given, then we just call pick video. And here you can see this is how we request for permission from our photos app. Now for pick video, we just do phpicker configuration, share, like open our ph photo library.share, filter by videos, and here we just define a phpicker view controller delegate. So once view controller, sorry, and once the view controller is displayed, like once our photos app is displayed with showing all the videos, the callback comes to our extension. So I have defined an extension called phpicker view controller delegate. So here I have created an completion handler. So once the user picks a video, we get the URL or error in case. So here once you get user picks a video, we get the result. Then we have to write a boilerplate code to save the video to temporary directory. So you can just copy paste this, and once we have the destination URL, we send it back to our wrap up function. Also I have created one more extension for authorization status of our photos app. So once that is done, as you can see, once this wrap up is called, we send that URL as well as the error if any to our handle pick video result. So this comes over here. Then over here if the URL is present, then we call the scale audio method, and if once the scale audio is success, we get this URL, updated URL, which I just assigned to our final URL variable, and I also start playing that particular URL to inside our AV player. So we just start doing that. And here inside scale audio, we just create a file manager. We create a AV URL assets as well as mutable compensation. We get the video compensation track as well as the audio composition track. Then we get the asset video track and asset audio track. Then we get the duration of the entire video. Then we insert the time range both for video as well as audio, and then we can mix the audio using AV mutable audio mix. And the mix param, I have kept it as passing our audio composition track, and here I'm just doing audio mix param dot set value. Now here you can set whatever value you want from 0 to 1, like 0.1 or 0.2, whatever. This will help you to scale up or down your audio, and it starts from 0. And here inside audio mix input parameters, we are just passing our audio mix param. And here export path, we have just defined our export path export URL. If file already exists, we remove that. Then we create an export session, pass our audio mix as well over here along with file type, and optimize for network as well as output URL. We then export it and get the export output URL. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.